So Unit 2 is title blocks. Introduction. All industrial drawings have certain elements in common. They consist of various lines, views, dimensions, notes, and symbols. Other general information is also supplied so that the object may be completely understood. A skilled print reader must learn to interpret and apply all the information provided on the drawing. So a title block or title strip is designed to provide general information about the part, assembly, and drawing itself. Title blocks are usually located in the lower right-hand corner of the print. Figure 2.1 shows title strips may be used on smaller drawing sheets and extended along the entire lower section of the print. So this is like a basic title block, and this is what they call a title strip. So most companies set a standard form for the drawings that is printed in the original or mastery drawing. This enables the drafter to simply fill the required information. Some of the most common information found on the title block or strip include the following. So company name, so that identifies the company using or purchasing the drawing. Part name identifies the part of assembly drawn. Part number identifies the number of the part for manufacturing purchasing information. Drawing number is used to reference when filing the original drawing, and then scale indicates the relationship between the size of the drawing to the actual part size of the part. So if it's 2:1, then it means that for every inch on the drawing, it is actually a half an inch. Or if it's 1:2, every half an inch on the drawing is actually an inch. Tolerance refers to the amount that a dimension may vary from a print. Standard tolerances applied to the entire print are given in the title block. Tolerances referring to only one surface are indicated near that surface or print. Material indicates the type of material which the part is to be made. Heat treat information provides information as to hardness or other heat treat specifications. Date identifies the date of the drawing was made. The drafter identifies who prepared the original, and checker identifies who checked the completed drawing. The approval identifies who approved the design of the object, and change or notes of revision is the area in the block that records the history changes that are made to the drawing. Often revision blocks are located elsewhere on the drawing. So if they decide that something ain't working and they want to change it, every time they change the print from the original drawing, they have to have a new revision. Standard abbreviations for materials. A variety of materials are used in industry. The drafter or designer must select the materials that will best fit the job application. The ability to do this comes from experience and understanding material characteristics. To save time and drawing space, material specifications are usually abbreviated on drawings. Table 2.1 describes the most common abbreviations used. Refer to this table as a guide to material abbreviations used later in the text. So, if you look through aluminum, AL, bronze is BRZ, cast iron, CI, cold finish steel, CFS, cold roll steel, CRS, and so forth. A parts list, also called a bill of materials, is often included in the print. This list provides information about all parts required for a complete assembly of individual details. The bill of materials is most frequently found in the print that displays the completed assembly and is known as the assembly drawing. The assembly drawing is a pictorial representation of a fully assembled unit that has all parts of their working positions. So this is an example of a parts list. So on this one there's 4 different parts, or 5 different parts, I'm sorry. And it shows 1's the base, 2's the anvil, 3's set screw, 4's side shaft, and 5 is the knurled nut. Then it shows how they're supposed to go together. Additional drawings called detail drawings usually accompany the assembly drawing and are numbered for identification. Each assembly detail found on the bill of materials is also provided with a reference number that is used to locate the detail of the detail drawing. Detailed drawings give more complete information about individual units. Assembly drawings are covered more completely in a later unit or text. And then here is what you will be working on. So you'll just go through and it'll ask you questions. When it gets to these tolerances, make sure, which I got in parentheses, but make sure you do put the plus or minus symbol. So just put plus / minus and then whatever it's supposed to be. Some of these questions will be off of your last section, and that's pretty much it.